website, right? And your business. So how is your website going? Are you liking the service or?
I mean, so I hired this person overseas, and I mean, budget is great, like super cheap. But the only thing is there's a lag with the communication. And then sometimes I get emails in the middle of the night. And it's just like, by the time I receive the email, go into it, you know, we've already wasted almost like 2 days. But, you know, you give what you pay, I guess.
Whoa! Just like my website, I did it all myself.
So how you find that?
You know, it's a lot of work. I have no time. Endless hours spent trying to build my website. I mean, it probably could be done by somebody else. I like managing it myself, but I really have lost track of time. I can't do it. How about you?
I got a friend doing it for me, but my guy's taking like 6 months. It is what it is though. How about you?
I actually spent like hundreds of hours trying to work on my own website, trying to learn everything. Oh my gosh, it was such a headache. So I Googled it and I actually found Amber, the internet guy. He gets 5-star reviews. He's right here and he gets back to me immediately. He never misses an email from me. It's not like I have to wait 6 months or a year. It's amazing. I highly recommend.
And he's the internet guy?
He's the internet guy.
The internet guy. I'm overworked. So
Yeah.
I definitely think I should go to Amber, the internet guy.